Hey guys, I'm gonna be fly fishing today. It's Sunday. I'm in a small creek. Got a lot of rain last night. Let's see how we do. I'm running a white zonker, fast water. Hopefully it works. Who knows? You know what I mean? I go with the flow, man. You know, see if you get one. I might have to bring my bobber. I might have to bring my fly down a little bit. It's kind of 18 inches on the first fly, but we'll see. We'll see how we do. Fishing fast water today. Hopefully we do good. Huh? Your white zonker is killing it. What? Oh. Dude, what the fuck's this guy's problem? You know? There we go. We're clicking now. Hey, cast, hey, I swear to God, I've cast over here going every time, bro.
Is your fly rod still set up?
Huh?
Is your fly rod still set up?
I just have to put a fly on it. I have a zonker on it. I'm gonna get another zonker in a second. Are they cold? Really? Oh, center pinning? Oh, yeah.
If you have a second, touch it back and just reel real quick and somehow fucking cold it is, even with the gloves. Bro, you have to hold that shit.
Bro, fuck that.
That's what I'm saying. It kind of sucks with my little time.
Dude, fuck that.
Spinner reels are moving.
You want this one?
No, I want to try your fly rod.
Oh, yeah.
I'll set it up too. Drop back.
Drop back. You about to make a Facebook post?
Maybe.
What? You gotta take one.
I'll tag you in it.
Great.
Yeah, you hooked them good.
Fuck yeah, I did. Barbara Dan. He swallowed that bitch? Nice. Nice one? Nice, dude. Nice. Fuck yeah. Dude, it looks fucking big. Good job, man. It's a big one. How'd he hit it? Bobber down it?
Yeah, right in front of me too, right there.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, ape count out too, the bulldog.
Whew. Shit. Nice.
Yeah, right in front of me.
Green bag.
Good shit.
Good job, buddy. That's a pretty one too. Don't get bit. This is good fly fishing water today. Fuck.
Picture up right there. Oh, like that. She does have eggs though.
I love this fucking net. Wrong way, hub. There she goes.
Yeah, like right now, like right.
Huh?
Right in front of me on my feet.
Yeah, that's badass, man.